Okay, I finally finished installing my light. My low beam is on. So now I have both low beams. I have the high beams on. And I was able to install that in this section here where I took the bulb out and replaced it. Now I put the top on it and I'm done. And all it took was this little light here. Cost me only about $7. Got it off Amazon. And now I'm ready to go. My next project is, it keeps telling me that I need a light here, but when I look back here, both my lights are on, so I think that might just be a short or something. But I'm straight to go. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions that you'd like to ask me about repairing anything, just let me know. I'll be glad to see if I can tell you what I know about it. I like working on things. I like twiddling with things. I like to see if I can fix things. And it looks as though I've done a good job today. So thank you very much for watching. Have a good day.